Welcome to the advanced guide to Debank MetaMask integration, where we will explore the process of connecting your MetaMask wallet to Debank, a popular portfolio tracking and management platform. This integration allows users to easily monitor and manage their cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. First, you need to have a MetaMask wallet installed and set up in your browser. If you don't have one, create a new wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase in a secure location. Next, navigate to the Debank website and click on the Add Wallet button. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets and click Connect. You will be redirected to the MetaMask extension, where you need to confirm the connection request, review the permissions, and make sure you trust the Debank website. Once confirmed, your MetaMask wallet will be connected to Debank. After connecting your wallet, Debank will automatically import your wallet address and start tracking your assets. You can view your portfolio balance, transaction history, and asset distribution in the Debank dashboard. You can also add multiple wallets and exchanges to Debank, allowing you to track all your cryptocurrency assets in one place. One of the key benefits of integrating MetaMask with Debank is the ability to track your decentralized finance activities, such as lending, borrowing, and yield farming. Debank provides detailed analytics and insights into your DeFi activities, helping you make informed investment decisions. To get the most out of the integration, make sure to regularly update your wallet and transaction data in Debank. You can do this by clicking the Sync button in the Debank dashboard. This ensures that your portfolio is always up to date and accurate. In conclusion, integrating MetaMask with Debank is a straightforward process that provides valuable insights into your cryptocurrency portfolio. By following these steps, you can easily track and manage your assets and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always prioritize security and only connect your wallet to trusted platforms like Debank.